Hi, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. We got a box. Let's see what's in it. It's from Mary Maxim, and if it's what I think it is, I'm very, very excited. But I also ordered several things on the same day, and I can't really remember. What all was in it. So let's see. And I opened it upside down too. Oh, I see Christmas. Okay, this is a big thing. In fact, I'm going to put it on the floor and unload it from there. So, Mary Maxim was having a sale. There's always having a sale. And I've been going to buy their, I don't know what they call it. It's like a subscription to them. So you get a percentage off every time you put in an order, and you get a thing for free shipping. And actually, when the little booklet came, there was also a coupon for 50% off any one item. So if this is something you're thinking about doing, I didn't know I had the 50% off coupon. So I would have waited to order my big item until that coupon came. But as it was on sale, plus I got a percentage off. So I think I got it for 30 or 35 or 40% off anyway. But let's see what we got in here. Oh, yes. This is a Merry Christmas banner. And it's real simple. It's just a little felt thing, and you put the little sequins on it. So that gives it a little bit of sparkle. And there's not a lot of sequins. You can see up close. There's not a ton of them, but it's just a few, and it gives it a little bit of sparkle. And they're fun. I did one last year, and it was a calendar, and it was fun to do. I enjoyed it. This was a free gift. I would not have purchased this. And it's a very unattractive, in my opinion, fanny pack. But I don't mind wearing a fanny pack, just not something that brightly colored. I actually wear fanny packs quite a bit. This, what is this? I don't know what this is. Looks like it's towels, and I remember buying towels, but it's kind of weird the way this is packaged. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, because they put some things together. That's why. This is a coloring book, a little Christmas coloring book, and I just thought that might be fun. It has all different designs in here. I just thought that would be fun. And we have little kitchen towels. It says dashing through the snow, and we got a little snowman. And then we've got another one that says cardinals appear when angels are near. I like that one a lot too. There we go. Light's a little bit better now. So we got the cardinals and the snowman towels. And they are plain regular kitchen towel size. It is, I think they're 100% cotton. Doesn't say, cotton poly maybe. Kind of feels like that old flour sack stuff, and I really like that in a kitchen towel. I like that a lot. I like kitchen towels. It's an easy way to put up a couple of decorations without having to dig a bunch of stuff out. Oh, there's my big thing. Is there another little thing in here? Uh-oh. There's another little thing, but it's getting smushed. Oh, pretty. I don't remember ordering this. I do not remember ordering this. I'm not. Let's see, we got the funny bag, we got the snowflake banter, the coloring book, the kit. I guess I did. Yes, I did. And then you always get all the ads. So it is a Diamond Dots kit. And I like Diamond Dots. I truly just don't remember ordering this. It's not the kind of thing I would typically order. It's pretty Christmas scene, Christmas house, Christmas trees outside. Simply Dots is the brand. And some of them tell you, yes, it tells you how many dots are on this thing. And that's a way for you to tell if you're not sure if something is too big or too small. This is considered an intermediate because there's a lot of different color changes. But this one is 9.8 by 13.8 inches, so that'll be a nice size. And it has 10,614 dots. So that's going to take a little bit of time to do. That is so funny. I absolutely do not remember choosing that. I wonder if I put a wrong number in. But it was only $12, so that's a really good price because something like this could be $30 to $40 somewhere else. The snowflake banner was $10. The coloring book was $4.75, and the towels were $2. But here's the big thing. I'm so excited. I have wanted this for such a long time, and it never went on sale. Never went on sale. And it's got a ton of yarn in it. Just a ton of yarn. But, and of course, Mary Maxim, you always get the cool carry bag. Oh, am I gonna be able to get to the pattern? Yes. Wow, look at this. Can you see all those pages? It's like, there we go. This many pages for the pattern book. Okay, it's called the Solatch Overlay Mosaic Crochet. Look at that beautiful design. Oh, that is so pretty. I have been wanting this for such a long time, but I would not pay full price. I had to wait till it went on sale. And this gal who does the pattern, she has patterns on Ravelry and Etsy, and it's called Get Your Hook on Designs. Get Your Hook on Designs. That's not very clear. I'll put the information down in the description box because she's got a ton of patterns, and I just love them. Sholik Farm. I can't pronounce that. Oh, here we go. It is pronounced Sholak. Sholak Designs. That's cool. And it is, like I said, it's overlay mosaic, which we just learned how to do, so that I'm not worried about. And the new design, it's only about a year old. Where does it say? Border options. Nice. Here we go. Before the border, this is going to be 63 by 48. That's a nice size. 63 by 48. And it takes 6 skeins of the beige. I can't even get down to it. So 6 skeins of this color. And 5 skeins of the ombre. And I was having problems finding this anywhere in the stores. So that's 11 skeins of yarn. That's a lot of yarn. That's a lot of yarn. Plus it comes in this cool bag. Plus this very nicely printed out, and it's on a nice heavyweight paper. It's all in color. It's very clear. That's the reading the chart. That's the diagram. And I've seen some people make this and they rearrange the design a little bit. They take out some of the rows and put in other things. Rows of other things. Wow. There's a lot of information here. So it looks like you've got your instructions by the chart or written out for every row. On every row. That's exactly what it is. And that's why there's so many pages, because each row has its own, each design has its own row. And then it gives you the options for the border. It says you can weave in the ends. You can crochet over your ends as you go. That's interesting. You can create a fringe border. I don't think I would do that on this blanket. A double border. Some people call that an envelope border. It's really interesting. I did that here. I did that right here when I did this little sample thing. So we finished this and I had all the ends hanging out. And so we did an envelope border. So basically what you did was you crocheted all of this and then you went on the other side and crocheted another row of them. And when you get to the top, you crocheted it together. So this is actually 2 thicknesses right there. And then all of the ends are hidden inside of it. Pretty cool way of doing it. Create a double border to hide in all your ends. Okay. And she shows a video by talented Heather Noble. It's pretty much the same as how I do my double border. The only thing I do different is the corners. And I have seen a couple of videos where the corners are different. And here's another link. That's a YouTube link on doing the border. I will put that down in the description box as well. And then this one also says, for her border, she did a simple 3 rows of double crochets on both sides to do the double border, and that's what this is. 2 rows of color A, 1 row of color B, and then the color B to join. Interesting. And then that's what her border ended up looking like. Very, very cool. This is a really well done pattern. Probably one of the best I've seen. And you guys know I have bought a lot of kits. And this is easily the best done pattern I've seen off of any of them. So this was $65 when everything was said and done for this kit. With all this yarn, this beautiful pattern, and I love these carry bags. So a little on the high end, even for me. But like I said, I waited till it was on sale, and I had a coupon, so I got this typically runs $100. So there was no way I was paying $100 for it. So I was real excited when it went on sale. I have been watching it, and this is the first time I've seen it go on sale. So that's today's little Mary Maxim haul. Not a lot of stuff, just a few little things. And like I said, it was all on sale, plus I had the extra coupon. And then they threw in this little bag for free, which I will have to open up and see. It's pretty small, but it might be. I don't know. We'll see. Could be just right for a certain thing. Anyhow, that's it for today. Thank you so very much for joining me, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.